Alrighty, hey everyone, it's Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, we do have a 2020 Toyota Corolla hatch. It is going to be the SE Nightshade edition. And the Nightshade is going to add about $2,000 to your base price, and it is going to add those 18-inch alloys, as well as a different grille with side rockers, as well as the blacked out mirror caps, door handles, and badges. Coming to your window sticker, only option is going to be the $73 phone charger for a total of $23,318. Gas mileage is going to be 32 city, 41 highway, 35 combined. Coming down here to your wheels, these are going to be those 18-inch black alloys. Then coming around back, you can see those blacked out badges and rear spoiler. And then as far as your door handles go, you do have smart key access, so just hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, foot on the brake, button to start. With 3 miles on it, we'll go ahead and check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath that hood, you do have the 2-liter dual overhead cam Dynamic Force i4. It's going to be making 168 horsepower, 151 in terms of torque, all going to the front wheels through a CVT. You're going to have sport mode on this one as well. Let's go ahead and check out that interior. We're coming in over your side mirrors. They are going to be the gloss black with your turn signal indicators. Blind spot monitoring is going to be on your XSE trim. You do have the matching door handles right here. Checking out that black cloth interior, it's going to be a 6-way manual driver seat. Then coming to your door panel, nice padded and stitched armrest, power windows, locks and mirrors, with door storage down below. And over here to the left of your steering wheel, you do have your panel dim as well as your auto high beams. Speaking of that steering wheel, it is going to be tilt and telescoping, leather wrapped, as well as your D-pad for that display over there, as well as your Bluetooth, voice commands, audio controls, TSSP 2.0 settings with your dynamic radar cruise and lane trace, paddle shifters on the back of the wheel. Over on the left, automatic LED headlights, tap to 3 blinks, blinkers, and your high beams. Then over on the right, your variable and speed wipers and your rear wiper controls. Dash is nice and stitched with accents. Of course, coming to your head unit, checking out the audio sources, this is going to be the 8-inch screen with AM, FM, XM, USB, and Bluetooth streaming audio. Going to your menu, you do have your projection for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then going home, split screen views you can customize. Below that, your single zone automatic climate control with your driver temperature, fan speed, and then your zones right here. The eco button, and you do have your recirc. A little bit of storage under here with that USB for the audio system. And then you do have your manual shift mode with your CVT, simulated gears, rear view camera right up top. Brake hold feature as well as your power parking brake with cup holders. Sliding armrest that is stitched with some chargings in there. Glove box. Up top, manually dimming review mirror. Map lights, SOS Safety Connect, mirror and vanity lights on your visor. So that just about wraps it up for the front seat. We can go ahead and check out the rear. Checking out that rear seat, as you can see, that black cloth does follow through, as well as all your door panel materials with your stitched armrest, power window. You do have a cup holder. Behind my 5'9" frame, there's adequate room. Foot room down below with dual map pockets, center storage, and a nice armrest. Adjustable headrest. Up top you do have cornering handles and a dome light. Nice view of the dash right there. The sedan will give you a little bit more back seat room. So let's go ahead and check out the cargo area. We can wrap up our video. And coming around back, just go ahead and press the membrane underneath your Toyota logo to open it right up. As you can see, nice adjustable tonneau cover that is connected to your hatch. Keep prying eyes off your stuff. Go ahead and press this button right here to show you your temporary spare tire and jack. You can fold down those seats 60-40 to expand cargo even more. Just go ahead and close it up like so. And that'll wrap it up for the 2020 Corolla Hatchback SE Nightshade. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.